अगर आप अपने ब्रांड के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज करेंगे, आप अपने फ्यूचर के साथ
Not only compromise, sir, but in the process, I made Arogya Gluten Free Foods the first Indian company which is fortified with vitamin B12.
वाओ,
And we are the first Indian company who have 65 to 70% of multigrain in their packaging.
वाओ,
Yeah.
that you're the first Indian
We are
company.
the first
Wow,
Indian
how
company.
long did it take for you to get to that?
I don't know, sir. I never thought about that. I just wanted the best for my consumer. And in the process, I reached at the top.
So how many years has it been now? If I look at it in total, 4 years or what's it?
More than 4 years, I would say.
Okay, around 5.
Around 5.
5 years. Wow, not bad at all. And you know, आप एक गोल के साथ चले, फर्स्ट इन इंडिया, पूरा भारत आपको देख रहा है आज और पूरा भारत जानेगा उसके बारे में, आरोग्य gluten free foods. And what are the kinds of variants you have? What all are you providing in that?
So we have manufactured 3 types of variants. The one is multigrain original flour, which is suitable for everyone from the age of 5 to 6 to 90 years of age. And the second one we have curated specially for women by adding different types of millets in the flour. And looking
More of iron and stuff like that?
definitely, because one thing that I noticed is that when females are touching their puberty,
Yeah.
they start depleting the nutrients from their body, and they do that up till from 15 years of age to at least 40-45 years of age.
Yeah, till menopause.
And they don't do anything, or I would say cannot do anything
Yeah.
to regain the nutrition.
Yeah, absolutely. And even for pregnant women and all that. I think this will work
Definitely,
in that.
definitely,
nutrition. So
100%.
iron is very important.
Iron and calcium.
I was about to say that because women health problems ही पूरा vitamins,
Right.
minerals और iron वगैरह का है. You know,
Right.
men have less of that.
Right.
But उनका एक range अलग है कि उसके अंदर
उनके लिए भी, मेन के लिए भी हमने अलग रेंज बनाई है. जैसे
हाँ.
हमने इसमें women को एड्रेस करा है फॉर देयर ओवरऑल हेल्थ, तो हमने मेन के लिए हाई प्रोटीन फ्लावर मैन्युफैक्चर करा है, क्यूरेट किया है, जिसके अंदर हमने प्रोटीन में पी प्रोटीन यूज करा है, नॉट योर रेगुलर प्रोटीन.
How does that help?
जो हम नॉर्मल प्रोटीन लेते हैं, विच इज बेस्ड आउट ऑफ मिल्क. Few people are allergic to milk, and few people have chosen to be vegan. That is one point. Second point is that when the protein is coming from milk, it is very hard to digest for a common man, and then they have to work out, then they have to basically digest the protein from their energy. On the contrary, what I used is I used pea protein, which is just like a vegetable. It will be digested soon, it will be giving you nutrition soon, and it will be
Getting to the system soon, faster, so definitely effect is also faster.
and it will never harm you, never ever harm you.